Got something very special in these boxes, all the way from Australia and California. Let's open them up. Wing windows. Sick. Yeah. Good Toyota glass.
But you're telling me there's a chance. Yeah!
Alright guys, today is a really special day for me. I finally got some wing windows. I've been searching for them for a while. They just got here, got them shipped all the way from California. Want to just go through what I got. I got the actual windows and all the frames. It's going to have to replace the regular windows, the actual glass, and I have seals that I'm going to have to cut down in order to get that done. The person I bought from already had brand new regulators. So we put brand new regulators in there, which is going to be phenomenal. And I do have some old ones. So if anybody's looking for some older ones, I'll let those go. Don't really have a need for them. As well as the little seals that go on the side where the chrome goes. So it's going to be this section right here. So we're going to start ripping into this thing. I do have some concerns about the mirrors not being able to work correctly with the mirrors or the windows kind of coming out 130 degrees, but we'll figure it out. That's what projects are for. Start by popping out the clip. User guy, don't lose these clips. They're a pain. All right, we got the regulator all taken out. So we're gonna have to pull the glass out, which is not always my favorite thing to do. We'll start from there. So what I'm doing here is on the regulator, down here there is a bolt that is stopping the regulator from coming out of the glass. So there's one here and one on the other side. You take those out, and this thing should slide right out. That's one US Spec window. These are the Aussie ones. All right, so what we got here is right next to each other. I don't know if you can see it. I know it's glass, so it's clear. We got the US Spec Fj60 and the Aussie glass. As you can see, it is quite different here, and the wing window will sit on this side of the glass. We have our regulator connector for the window. As you can see, it's a lot smaller, so you will need that to get the project done completely. So there are a couple secret screws right there that need to come out, as well as we're gonna have to drill holes for a couple of these, from what I understand. And this seal needs to come out, as you can see. Pull that back. So initially it's in there. Vent glass is in there. Unfortunately, it doesn't open as well as I liked it to. It just passes the mirror. So you can pull the mirror back into place that way. So I'll take that. It's better than them not working at all, but that is the full degrees that I was looking for. Get that free air conditioning. All right, so we got the drill holes, as well as this bolt needs to go back in, which is getting relocated from here. It's awesome. I didn't have to drill that hole. Gotta love Toyotas being all over the world because the hole's already there. The track for the actual window. Looks like I can use the stock one that came in the truck originally. Looks like it goes all the way down, so looks like we're good there. Well, it's the next day. Ran into a little bit of an issue yesterday doing the driver's side wing windows. Unfortunately, the window that I got, I guess supposedly this window broke when the gentleman that I got it from got the windows from Australia. So this piece is not on there with the rubber piece that goes inside the track there, which means I cannot attach it to the actual regulator. This piece of glass does, which this is the passenger side. So I had to go and start on the passenger side. So we're gonna pick up the video there. I already have the regulator in the truck. Just gotta screw it in, and we're gonna get the glass in and kind of complete this little build, at least on this side for now. Regulator works. All right, we got the regulator all back in. Unfortunately, the regulators that I got brand new actually do not work. This is too big, and it wasn't bolting up correctly. So I had to go back to the original Aussie regulators. As you see, it's just 2 bolts on there onto the window runner there, and then it should all be working. Just attaching the regulator to the glass. I actually made a mistake. Make sure that you have the right regulator so that when you're putting it all in, it won't go all the way up if you put the wrong side regulator on here. So right now, I made that mistake. Tighten her all back up. Should be ready to go. Trying to get the seal back in here. Being a little temperamental. But for the most part, I think she's going back together. There it is. We're still working on the wing windows. As funny as that is, I ran into a little bit of an issue where I actually had to cut the chrome on the door card. It hurt my heart to do it because these are in perfect condition. But unfortunately, it does not fit on the door on past this this pillar here. So I had to cut it, so it should slip right under there. And then we'll get the door card on, finish this door up. So this little chrome strip on the door card does pry up fairly easy if you use a screwdriver. There's little pins in here that come out like that, and you can see those right there. I've already made my mark for where the pillar is gonna be, and I'm gonna cut there, and then I'm gonna cut the door card on the inside part just a little bit in, and it will fold. I'll have it be able to fold down, so I don't really ruin the entire aesthetic of the door card, because these are awesome, but that's what we're gonna do. So this is what the finished product looks like, 100% done. I think it turned out fairly well. I probably could mess with the seal that's under the wing window a little bit, but as I said, it worked out great. Everything kind of bolted in together after I figured out how it all needed to go. I think it looks phenomenal, and I'm ready to get some free fresh air, that's for sure. So, boom.